What's going on? This is Markie Williams. Welcome to my channel regarding online certification courses. Allow me to break down these courses and what they consist of. This is a channel where you can learn a new skill set or brush up on an old one. Continuous education and improvement should always be a priority if you want to stay current in your field of work and plus get paid your worth. So let's get started. AI is starting to hit every nook and cranny of any business, small and large. AI automation from warehousing, distribution, human resource, and even a simple receptionist is getting an overhaul when it comes to AI automation. Now it's time for AI to take on copywriting and marketing for businesses. Launch high-profit campaigns in minutes, not days. Discover how the AI takes the guesswork out of marketing and handling everything. And we are talking about ad, copy, email, landing pages, and more. When it comes to AI copywriting, it involves using artificial intelligence tools to automatically generate text for various marketing purposes, such as website copy, social media posts, and ad copy. AI-assisted copywriting AI tools help with tasks like spell checking, rephrasing, or restructuring copy created by a human, improving efficiency and quality. It has scalability, it's time-saving, and it has versatility. Examples of AI marketing solutions include image recognition, chatbots, personal assistants such as Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa. AI in marketing in the process of leveraging some AI methods and tools such as algorithm, data models, and machine learning to produce customer insights that marketers in turn can use to optimize spending, customize content, and personalize the customer journey through combining big data and machine learning. Copywriting and marketing goes hand in hand, but to find a conference, a training course to go over this step by step without the rush can be frustrating. Of course, I'm here to help. This will be a link in my description below regarding AI copywriting and marketing training course. Click on the link and a landing page will be there for you to reserve your seat for the online presentation, enter your name and email address, and also select the date for the training. You can also opt for the instant watch session if available. So let this training course show you how to multitude your revenue and cut your workload in half for your business going forward. Many thanks for taking some time to check out this quick tutorial. All the links will be in the description below. Also have a website up and running, which is also Markie Williams Online Certification Courses. Please subscribe so you don't miss out on any training certification courses you may want to pick up. Comment below done, and I will reply back. You can check me out on Facebook under Markie Williams, and there I also have an online certification page you can like and follow as well. Please make sure you check out these thumbnails that'll be floating around at the end. Always remember to get paid your worth. Many thanks. It's Markie Williams, and I'm out.